everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, to every story there is a happy or sad ending, and what happened to Gomora today guys really break many people's heart. We didn't expect Buhle to die, but guys, her storyline was a true reflection of what other young girls go through every day in their real life. Let's give Buhle her flower guys. She really nailed that difficult storyline that demanded all the emotions from her. This character demanded Buhle to be that girl who wanna be with her family so badly, that girl who can do anything just to be free, wanting so badly to be home and take that warm bath after a long time struggle. But hey, there was a bullet waiting to kill him. I feel sorry for Tati guys and the whole family for everything they went through. Buhle is actually paying for Mom's on the scenes who killed Kokoro's son. That was a revenge from him. Big up to the writers is Gomora guys for their job well done. That brings us to the end of this video guys. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Were you happy with the way they ended Buhle's storyline on Gomora today? Bye.